What's going on, guys? Just jumping on here quick to do a quick little video. So, I'm covering some of the local news in Rhode Island here, and you can clearly see this couple is being charged with endangerment of a child and drug possession. And today is Wednesday, March 15th, and it says that their 2-year-old was unresponsive on Monday. But what's interesting is this right here. So today is March 15th, and when you type out in gematria, maybe just to make it a little less confusing. So look at this. A is 1, B is 2, all the way up to Z is 26. Unresponsive 2-year-old equates to 315. So U, the 21st letter, N, the 14th, R, the 18th, E, the 5th, S, the 19th, and so forth. Gives you 315. And again, you know, today's date can be expressed 3/15. What do you know? What are the odds of that? So if the incident took place on Monday, that would give us a 39 date numerology. 3 plus 13 plus 23 is 39. And the story is about a toddler. So, toddler, 39. This is another interesting mathematical connection, in my opinion. So, child endangerment charges, right? When you use the alphabet backwards, making Z is 1 all the way up to A is 26. Child endangerment charges sums to 431. And that's interesting because 431 is the 83rd prime number. So there's a mathematical connection between 431 and 83. And as you can see on the screen, 431 is the 83rd prime number. And the reason I'm saying that is 83 is also a prime number as well. So 83 is the 23rd prime number. And look, you know, 23 date numerology this happened on. Now, some of this stuff can be organic, you know, and coincidental, but I leave it up to the viewer to ask themselves, what are the odds of all this? And to make another point about the 39 right here, right? You know, the story is about child abuse. Look at this. When you spell it out on the screen, child, we'll go to the reduction here. Reduction cipher. Child abuse sums to 39. So there it is. And when you look at the names of the people accused, when you select this like this, and you just punch it into the gematria calculator, look at this. There's some interesting stuff here. So look at this. First, you know, both of the names sum to 153, just like today's date. You know, 15th day of the 3rd month. You can write March 15th, 15/3. And 15/3 can look like 153. That's the first point. The second point is the 117. So both of their names sum to 117. Now look at down here. Unresponsive 2-year-old, 117. And this is all in the numerology cipher, mind you. So you got to ask yourself, what are the odds? What are the odds of all of this stuff? The male's last name sums to 83. And like we were, you know, explaining over here, you know, 83 is the 23rd prime. You know, 431, the 83rd prime. 83, the 23rd prime. 23 date numerology. I found that pretty interesting. And to go along with the math lesson to make it oh so perfect, the cherry on top, you can clearly see the girl's last name is Cruz. What do you think it equals? Cruz. Well, if you guess 23, you know, it makes a lot of sense, right? 431, the 83rd prime, 83, the 23rd prime, 23 date numerology. It goes on and on and on. But I think the key things to take away from here is that 315 connection in the beginning with the unresponsive 2-year-old. That was pretty mind-blowing. But again, what are the odds of all this? And, what do you think, guys? What do you think's going on?